Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 304. JJ, we got chickens.
It's awesome.
Oh, you like all the chickens?
Yes, there's chickens. Oh, I got another egg.
Oh,
wait.
Here, you can have my eggs. And did you see the fox?
What fox?
Well, where'd he go? Oh, he's over here. Whenever the fox gets near chickens, they just kind of start flying in the air.
Oh, smart chickens.
It's like popcorn chicken or something.
I like popcorn chicken.
Oh.
Chicken's good.
Yeah, well, he can't actually reach the chicken. What are we going to do about all this? That's so many chickens.
I like chickens.
I guess so.
Chickens are fun.
Yep. Okay. Oh, wait, what did you do?
I made Eggworks.
What happened to the fireworks? Oh, no.
Woohoo!
Now we got... Okay, Eggworks. Oh, we're going to have so many chickens.
Chickens!
All right, well, are you here to read the Bible with me? Okay. I'll let you play with the chickens. I'll go get the Bible. That's a lot of chickens. Eggworks. All right. 304. Jesus teaches about freedom. Well, all these chickens are going to want to be free here. Let's see. JJ, where'd you go? Oh, you're over here. You're still playing with the chickens. Wait, so many chickens.
They give me eggs.
Oh, eggs. Are you going to be able to read the Bible with me, or is this too distracting?
I can read the Bible.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, let's go ahead and read. Day 304. Jesus teaches about freedom. John chapter.
Chickens.
Oh. John chapter 8, verses 31 through 33. Here's our reflect. What makes a person free? So as we read, let's try to figure out what makes a person free. Can you read these for us?
Jesus said to the people who believed in him, "You are truly my disciples if you remain faithful to my teachings, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free."
Oh, there it is. The truth.
The truth. "But we are descendants of Abraham," they said. "We have never been slaves to anyone. What do you mean you will be set free?"
Oh, wow. Okay. That's some really good teaching right there. Fantastic. Well, here's our praise. Jesus, you make us free. Yes, he does. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's go ahead and do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, you make us free. Fantastic. Well, that's a lot of chickens. And good teaching. So what'd you call it again?
Eggworks.
Eggworks. More chickens. Splat.
Oh, whoops.
That's a lot of eggs. Okay. Baby chickens everywhere. Well, careful.
Oops.
There's another one. All right, everybody. Wow, that's a lot of chickens. And one confused fox, but look at that. It's like a balloon. Whoa. Look at all these chickens that are together.
You got an egg. You want an omelet?
Oh, nope.
Ooh, you made a chicken.
Yep. Let's see if I can get these guys. Oh, wait. I got it. Yes. I got them separated.
They like you.
Yeah. Well, we'll definitely have plenty of omelets. All right, everybody. Thanks for reading the Bible with us. Be sure to read your Bible every single day. If you have any ideas what we should do. Oh, I'm not standing here. I'm not standing there.
Why not?
If you have any idea what we should do with all these chickens, be sure to let us know. In the meantime, we'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.